This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Warren Pineda. Wonderfully maintained 5-bed/4-bath home in the heart of Hardin Valley is a showstopper. Extended floor plan and vast customization through the property could make this the most desirable home in the neighborhood. Home is surrounded by tasteful custom landscaping and a neighborhood that exudes pride in ownership. Open floor plan connects living room, dining area, and kitchen area. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances, stone backsplash, granite countertops, and island. Large pantry with custom cookware storage. Beautiful hardwoods throughout the main level. Office/dining room features coffered ceilings and wainscoting. The living room opens to the backyard, revealing an outdoor sanctuary with large stain-textured patio enclosed with privacy curtains. Warm up next to the wood-burning fireplace with gas starter, or hop in the 6-person Deluxe Therapy Hot Tub underneath the pergola. Lush green grass is watered through a 6-zone irrigation system. Oversized driveway complements the double-bay 3-car garage and easily accommodates an RV. Bedrooms are all generously sized. Guest suite with full bath on the main level and the remaining 3 bedrooms and owner suite located on the second level. The spacious master bedroom effortlessly houses a king-sized bed along with bedroom suite. The master bathroom is tastefully designed with soak-in freestanding tub, frameless shower with dual shower heads, and the custom-built vanity with stone top even has plug-in access in the pull-out drawers. Huge walk-in master closet conveniently connects to the laundry room, which also has access from the upstairs hall. The additional bedrooms upstairs have custom chandelier lighting, pleasant views from the second story, and generous closet storage. The impressive bonus room transforms into a movie experience that will rumble your seat with a surround sound and illuminate the senses with the 140-inch projector screen and HD projector. It just might be better than the movie theater if you make your own popcorn. This home has so much to offer, but the package is truly completed by the amazing location that it rests in. Hardin Valley Vista is a great neighborhood with a low HOA of only $125 per year. The home is zoned for Hardin Valley Schools and is 5 minutes to the interstate and Hardin Valley Elementary. When you schedule a showing, prepare to fall in love. All appliances, security system, and outdoor furniture are negotiable. For more information, review the details below or contact Warren Pineda at 865-342-4200.